Today we have a surprise box because I don't know what's in it. Neither does my mom. So I'm busting to open it.
Careful.
I'm so scared.
I wish that's the YL gear. I just wish.
You wish.
Yeah,
My
the one
face.
from US. Because it's from US, right?
I think so.
You read there. US
Oh
expedited.
yeah.
Yes.
I'm cutting the sides first.
Careful, careful. I'll pause this.
Finally. Okay. Oh my god.
Yes! It's the YL gear!
Are these like
Wow!
the stuff that sent your card?
That? Yes.
That sent your card to you?
Yeah.
There are a
Essential
lot of them. They
oils.
actually look like bookmarks.
Yes.
They smell good.
Yes.
Wow.
Infused with essential
Right
oils.
here because the
Wow!
oh my god, no! Oh my
I
god!
like those
Are these
roller bottles.
These are
Yes.
matte.
Yes, matte frosted roller.
Oh, there's a black one.
Is it frosted?
I don't know. It
Yes.
looks matte.
And then, wow! We've been waiting for that. Dali, dali.
So
What
cute.
else?
There are four.
Open
of
one.
these.
Open one.
Oh, sure.
One is for Mommy Melody. She pasabay.
Well, this one, since we opened it, it's probably ours.
Yeah. Don't ruin it.
I'm not.
Don't ruin it.
I can't. Oh my, wait, there's a lot more at the bottom.
Yeah. I ordered a lot.
Okay, so here are the colors. We have
Because those are branded roller bottles.
black,
Branded.
young living,
Yeah,
and then
with
red.
Young Living. Careful.
Yeah, be with me.
Yeah.
My
Come
last
on.
video and Aunt with me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
this is some sort of grayish blue.
I like it. I like the colors.
Mommy, I'm sure Mommy loves the teal one.
Of course.
And
It's
look,
my
it's a
favorite
lavender
color.
one.
And the blue
I think
one.
this one should be for sleeping or something.
Oh.
And this one's a very dark blue.
Let's see. I
Navy
like
blue.
it. They're nice.
Wow, you ordered a lot. Okay, so next we have another one of these guys.
Okay.
Car fresheners, I think. I wonder what this is. Kind of looks like a canvas.
I think those are the glass spray bottles. Okay, sige. If you want to
Just the
open.
side.
Careful ha. Might hurt
Yeah, I just
yourself.
had to open the little side. Oh no, I didn't. Just a little snip.
Oopsie.
That's the little snippy snip.
Okay.
Okay, so yes, it's Young Living. It does feel like a canvas. I'm gonna read what's on the back. Be one of a kind every day. Is it? Oh, each day there. With your own custom natural fragrance.
Yeah, I'm
Wow.
going to make perfume.
Yay! So these are like tiny spray bottles.
Careful, careful. What are you doing?
I'm trying to be careful.
You might break
Be
it.
careful.
Those are glass bottles.
Yeah, they are. All of Young Living is glass. Probably. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. Wow, these are so cute.
What's written?
It just says wild.
Wild.
And this one is fresh.
So that will be
This
wild.
one's wild,
Fresh.
fresh.
Oasis.
Oh wait, no.
Yes, Oasis.
Okay, Oasis. I think this is In Love.
Then,
Blossom. Sunshine.
yay!
I love this. It's so
We
cute.
can make different kinds of perfume.
Yum. Wow, there's still a lot more in this surprise box. This really surprised me, Mom.
Mm. Go. Just
Okay.
check one. Those are the same.
Oh.
Mm-mm.
Okay, I don't know what's in here, but I'll be careful because usually it's glass.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Mom, they're the Young Living stands.
Yes, I like it.
Aren't you gonna keep all of these? I don't know
Not all of it.
how to
I'm
do
going
this.
to give some for raffle or prize when they get enrollees.
Can I put this in the room already?
Even the roller bottles.
Can I put this in the room?
In our room for the usual oils that you
The
use.
usual oils. Like our basic oils. Like the
Okay.
ones in the starter.
Okay. I might put it in the study room.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
So,
You'd be there all the
bye.
time. Bye.
Yes, by the way, these are all same. So, bye. Thank you for watching.